Alright, so I'm just going to show you real quick how to disassemble the PDL. I think it's called an intermediate case or intermediate housing, and it's actually very easy. And so the first thing I had to do, there's the spring. So this goes inside, this went inside that cylinder on the back here. The air shift cylinder for the fork. And so I just used a flathead screwdriver, pry it out, spring comes off, and then the shaft's got this little, it's got this flat area on it, two flat spots as you can see, and it goes and screwed in like that. So I just use an adjustable wrench, remove the shaft, unscrew the shaft, and then once I did that, the shift fork and the shift collar came off, and once those came off, then everything else came off, and the bearings just separate like that. And there's this middle piece that goes in between the two roller bearings or tapered bearings in this gear here. It's called the idler gear. Yeah, I think so. Just interesting that this one is so much wider than this one. Interesting. And so yeah, that's how you do it.